Hello, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to cut out images with Photoshop. So what you want to do is get the lasso tool. I could recommend the polygonal tool if you like to do it in like separate types. I can't. Here, I'll show you guys. If you guys like it like this, if you do it really slow. So this is how you just select it. What it technically helps you do is cut out an image from, oh, my bad, I'm sorry. So this will help you cut out an image. I could select the lasso tool, and then you could just cut it out. So let's try and cut this image out right here, if I don't fail so much. I'm gonna start from his arm, or his lower body right here. Then you just want to cut it out any way you want. It doesn't have to be perfect. Oh, wow, okay. Doesn't have to be perfect. I don't think anybody will be perfect unless you're a professional. So let's get like that. You don't want to if you're on Mac, I believe this would be easier for you. I am currently on Windows. Let's just do a quick little cutout of this football player. This could help you change the backgrounds of any picture you want with the background you really don't like at all. But if you have a character with hair, that's gonna be the worst part, because then you have to cut out the hair. So I don't recommend using that. If you do, then I'd say good luck with the hair. You could just use this tool to do the hair though, which is a good save. Let's go. Just finish this up really quick. Might be a little sloppy, but okay, so I think it's okay. So now we got our image. Yeah. Oof. And then you've successfully cut out your image. Believe. Let's see. Well, that's it. You've cut out your image. Then you could do whatever you want with this. Thank you for watching, and stay out for another tutorial. Thank you. Goodbye.